Hello all, today in this video I am going to show how to do Laplacian filter. In the previous videos we have saw the other filter techniques like Gaussian, median and Vienna. So now in this video we are going to see Laplacian filter. So in the previous code itself, if you are following our video itself, channel means you may know in the previous code we are using the same code for all the images. So now we can use in the same code itself. Now Laplacian filter. So I am naming as LF, and the Laplacian filter MATLAB default function is local lab and FILT. Then here I am calling the original image variable, which is img. Then before that we have to, for Laplacian filter, we have to declare two variables like sigma and alpha. So here I am just declaring the variables. Sigma I am declaring as zero point 0.4 and alpha I am just declaring as 0.5. So now I am calling this variables over here. Now as we will do previously, I'm just making it as a to show this figure. I'm showing a figure function, then using I'm show pair to show both the original image and the Laplacian filter image. For that we have to give mortgage. Then title we can give us original is Laplacian. Okay, now we can run this code. I'm just running the cameraman.if image until the thing which we have done over here. Okay, now we can see the difference between the Vienna filter, Laplacian filter, median filter and Gaussian filter. Previously, we saw that median filter is showing better results when compared to this uh, other filters. But now when you see means Laplacian filter is also showing better results as median filter more than median filter. This we can confirm only after taking some parameters to confirm which filter is doing best. So thus I have shown the difference between the Gaussian filter, median filter, Vienna filter and Laplacian filter. We have to conclude the difference between all the filters by just checking with the parameters, which is mean square error and some other parameters if you need it. And by this you can just conclude which the filter is showing better the performance. So as per I know, other than Gaussian filters, some other all the filters are showing some better reports. So please, this is in our next video we will see some other image processing tutorial. Thank you.